Oh, hey there, Millie. Oh, who's the sweet Millie? Oh, hi there. All right. Hey there, Millie. Oh, hi, Sasha. Oh, who's a sweet girl? Oh, he's a sweet girl. 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 All right. Let's get on the goat congregation. Oh, who's it? Oh. Oh, do you want attention? Do you want attention? Oh, my goodness. Do you want attention? I think you want attention. You little attention hog, aren't you? Oh, who's a sweet girl? 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 Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, who's so sweet? Oh, who's so sweet, Sasha? A little goat congregation going on here. Oh, you little prancing girl? You little prancing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're such a good girl. Oh, aren't you such a good girl? Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. And okay. Oh, let's get y'all's food out. Let's get this all out. All right. Oh, hey, Sasha. Are you a little bunny rabbit? Here, Millie. Come on. Hey, big boy. Oh, who's a good big boy? There we go. Yeah, he's probably going to bark at a lot of the goats, because he, in fact, do not like them. Yep, there he is. The goats get curious, and they want to eat his food. And, I don't know, he's always been like that since he was a puppy. I don't know why. Okay, so time to get some of these waters changed. Eesh, y'all are nasty. Get y'all changed up and running. Eesh. There's a couple ants growing up. There's something growing up right there. All right. Well, we got a couple of young guys trying to. Oh, guys. Oh, we got Black Dog right there. One with the little gold chain. We call him Black Dog because, oh my God, do you guys really want to get fed right now, don't you? Well, it's not feeding time, y'all. Y'all think it's feeding time, but it's not. So we call him Black Dog because anytime, so we have Pyrenees. We have 3 of them right now. And anytime they go running off, normally goats, they run and go hide. Not Black Dog. He sticks right with them. It's really weird. See, there he is, Black Dog. He's always going to check things out. The most curious little bugger you'll ever meet. And then we got some donkeys. We call them dunkers. And it is a solid 93 degrees here right now in Georgia. So we are changing these waters on the daily, not just because it's a sanitary thing, but because it gets really freaking hot. Oh, and here's our buck. Oh, little Wilbur, you smell like piss. Yes, you do. Hey there, how you doing? How you doing, sweet girl? How you doing? Let's give you a little inspection. Take a look down in those ears, make sure they're all good. Oh, very good girl. So, our 3 donkeys, they're micro mini donkeys, I think. Don't quote me on that. All 3 of them are girls. And the reason for that, well, we don't breed and we don't sell micro mini donkeys. These are more pets. So this is Wilbur. He is our only sire and our only buck, and he serves this entire herd. So my best guess is that there's about 40, maybe about 50 nannies and females. Some of them had not had their first freshening. So that's what we got there. And then we got that little stack house that is a stack house. It's completely full of crap. Just like me sometimes, I'm completely full of crap. And that's why I have IBS. But anyway, so, oh wow. I blew down that ant nest a few days ago actually, and they've already really built it back up. Oh, hi there, Wilbur. How you doing, big guy? He's a real docile guy. Occasionally he will get in it that he wants to headbutt our knees. And I've never had it happen to me, but my mom has had the lateral sides of her knees bashed in by this old guy. And anything that you guys know about goats, they hit hard. They headbutt pretty much everything. They don't like a tree, they're gonna headbutt it. So all these goats are Nigerian dwarfs, and well, let me show you. So pretty much all of them are socialized and friendly. Let me see. Oh, this is Edna. She's I think this is Edna. Yeah, you're Edna. You're a complete lovey. So she's one of our bigger girls, and I'm 6'4". She barely even comes up to my knee, and she is just a lovey. She loves getting any kind of attention that she can get. But these are ruminant animals, so you can see her right here. She's very bloated, and she might, so a lot of the times you're going to see them wagging their, oh, hi there, Sasha. How you doing, sweet girl? So you're going to see them wagging their tails all around the place, and that is literally, so it does 2 things. One, it keeps insects off of them. Another thing, it's about spreading pheromones. So some of these girls are getting ready to be bred. We don't want that to happen because we don't want to be having babies in the fall when it's getting really, really, really cold at night. And so that's why we have our buck in a completely separate pasture, because some of these girls are ready to be bred. Stay, Sasha. Oh, by the way, if you guys don't have these on your fences and gates, they are absolute lifesavers. Boom, locked. Amazing product. You can pick them up at Tractor Supply. Whew. All right. And I probably got to head over there now and switch over the other water bucket. Yeah, it's probably getting ready to overflow, so. And as you can see, oh, so these are 2 of the 3 Fs, Francie, Fergie, and I think we have a, oh, Sasha, you're getting under my feet, girl. And I don't know where the other one's at. Oh, yep, you're overflowing. But they were 3 of our first little does. Yep. I'm an idiot. You're overflowing. Yep. Oh, well, hi there. Are you wanting attention? Are you? Well, aren't you just a polite little girl? So, this is Sasha. You also probably saw another girl. Her name's Millie. They are sisters. And Boris over there, the big male, is actually their father. He has since then been neutered. So, some of y'all who are worried about that, no need to be. He will not be committing an act upon them. Hey, Sasha. So, let's turn that off. Whew. And let's move on.